Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
How are you today?
Good.
Today, I would like to speak about marriage. How do you think? Why do people get married?
Love.
Maybe.
They want to be forever in a relationship for the rest of the day.
Yeah, these good answers. How do you think marriage is important institution in our days?
I don't think so. It's not important, I think.
Hmm.
Oh.
Interesting answer. Let's take a look.
I disagree.
To be, it's good that you guys have different opinions. To be specific, today I would like to speak about marriage as meaningless institutions in our days. As you know, marriage as recognized legal status of the relationships had inflicted by patriarchal society hundreds of years ago. The fact that attitude to marriage has changed today. And there are several points to indicate of this. Firstly, is elevate rate of divorces. According to statistics of developed countries, rate of the divorces, as you can see, in 1960s was 12%. On the 20 years later, it's more than doubled. Sorry, 2000 is 35%. How do you guess which is the rate now? You will be surprised. In 2000, in this years, 2024, it's not finished this year, but it's already 48%. Let me explain what exactly happened. In my opinion, I believe this first reason is women's rights. And now I would like to share a few arguments to support my point of view. Firstly, it's successes of women's rights movement in 19th century and feminist movements in 20 and 21 centuries had achieved the gender equality and in many countries. For instance, provide women with education, job, and attitude wages on an equal to men. No more financial dependence of men. And as you maybe know, it's easy in our days to turn on from housewife to business lady.
Yeah.
Also important moment, social support and protection from supposed abuse. As you know, if you have support, you can do a lot. Third point, divorce has become more acceptable in our society nowadays. It's no shame to be divorced. Moreover, the second point is growing of trend me first. What does it mean? This means when people put their own personality happiness ahead of another. Now people prefer to put education and career first than family and children. Honestly, it seems to me then some of them just don't want to take responsibility. And as I see, for most people, much easier to get a pet than have family and kids. In other words, people don't rush to get married. And these points confirm other research. As you see, the first average age first marriage raised in last 50 years. For example, if in 1917 was 42% women under 20 years, now it's just only 7%. The same 88% women by 24 years old, now it's 38 only. And men, 57%, 24, now it's switched to 34% for 25, 28 years. Summing up, it's obvious that institution of marriage today becoming meaningless. Thank you for your attention.
Very interesting.